Hello guys, this is Tutorial Stream, and in this video you will learn how you can change the due date for already scheduled tasks in the OneTask app. So let us begin. Alright guys, so launch the OneTask app and navigate to your calendar here in the top left, and let's go for example with a task that is already overdue. Right, so what you want to do is click into this, and here you will see a list of all tasks that should have been completed but that are overdue. So what you want to do is click into it, and then here to the right you will see the due date, which indeed has the due date Friday, May 15th, which is 2 days ago. So let me change the due date by clicking into that calendar, and let me postpone it to next Friday, 22nd. You may describe it here. Don't forget to save your new due date here, and that is going to remove, as you can see, the overdue task from that list and schedule it to the next days here. And that's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.